When data scientists need to speed up Pandas operations, vectorization is often the answer. But writing efficient vectorized code can be tricky, especially when replacing apply functions. Claude and ChatGPT both claim to handle this task well, but their approaches differ significantly. In testing, Claude tends to produce more explicit vectorized solutions with clear comments explaining the transformation logic. ChatGPT often generates concise one-liners using NumPy or built-in Pandas methods, which can be faster but harder to debug. For a typical apply function that calculates weighted averages across grouped data, Claude suggested using transform with vectorized arithmetic, while ChatGPT proposed a pivot table approach. The key takeaway is that vectorization requires understanding the data structure first, and the best AI assistant is the one that explains why the vectorized version works, not just how to write it.